IPconfig command is similar to ifconfig on Linux Unix systems and is useful in case you want to pivot to another network by letting you know what other networks are connected to the victim machine. IPconfig shows different interfaces and their IP addresses, physical addresses, DHCPs, and some information about DNS. If you use IPconfig without any parameter, you only see information about the interface which is directly connected to the internet. If you want to see information about all interfaces, use /all.